the tractor run's a big thing. It's an annual event now in Tattyreagh. Only the weather's bad, we to run the sports together, but we're going to have the opening of the new stand in the sports later on. The weather might get a wee bit better, but the weather's terrible. Oh, we had a great run in the tractor. The only thing, the roads are very rough. We'll have to call a meeting and get together and fix the roads. We'll have to do something about the roads. God, they're in bad shape, chum. Oh, it's a big thing. A big thing for the club, and it's a big thing for the hospice and Belfast, for sick children.
Today's tractor run was for the Royal Belfast Hospital for sick children, for the charity Children in Hand. Siobhan Darcy's, which is Siobhan O'Neill now, his wee child was severely sick, and the money is going to be handed over to Siobhan and that charity for the children in Belfast Royal Hospital. I want to thank all the fellows who come here today in the tractors, the vintage cars, all the big tractors. The weather wasn't good as supposed to be, but unfortunately we had a mighty day. We couldn't ask for better. We thank everybody for all their donations.
They're very rough, God, they're wild, they're holes everywhere. The creamy cans, when I lift with your man's might be out the crossroads, the cans might get flying out and the cans will jump into the kirk. And I tell you better again, had a wee whap of hay in the back of the kirk there, lifted to the graveyard in Saskatoon and had jumped to the kirk and over the hedge, and I lost sight of it, way up the field like a rocket. Must have been one of the boys in the grave, I don't know, but it must have been a ghost.
We'd just like to thank the people again for their generosity to come out today. The time's in it, the weather, farming's getting it tightened up, so it's good to see these men with their big machinery out, and thanks again, it's for a good cause.
Going to the President of Ireland coming and all them big shots, maybe lock them big politicians down south, but anybody with thick wallets invited, so we'll have a great day now.